As I sit here and record this over and over and try to figure out what the best way to say this, I am going to share the highlights of 2023 because it was a crappy year for me. I get to keep my friend, and we've lost a lot. Best not to focus on what we lost. Let's look at what we gained and the joy we had. So here it comes, the highlights from 2023, and hopefully you all enjoy. Are you done?
Yes. I think it looks good.
You're done snarkiness?
You can cut the seam in it.
Is the snarkiness done?
Is the what?
Snark.
What?
Your voice just changed.
The what?
You was being so snarky and nasty, and now you're like, oh, I'm so
you're recording me,
sweet.
So I thought I'd put on my nice voice, yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we're cutting off stuff. Note to self. Anytime you end up doing work for friends, always charge something. My bike survived.
Life happens.
You can see where it was at earlier. On the other side. Remember when we seen all those powerful. Look, you made it. You made it back. No power the whole way back. I'm impressed, actually. Nice job. Oh, and look, power, power.
I was like, I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna get my other fucking.
And he still has energy.
This. Mine died halfway back.
Mine was on one
I
bar.
was like, I shouldn't have tried my battery halfway. It wasn't charged all the way.
I shouldn't have hooked our battery up back. Thank you.
Nice job. You'll be hungry now.
Scotty actually pulled me back. We were holding
Oh
hands.
no, I had nobody pull me back. My battery died.
You say I should journal every day, but I don't. You say if I write things down, then I'll know myself better, but I probably won't. I know that there is something I should do to be a healthy human. That's what I wanna do, but I don't think I know how. Can you show me? Can you show me? I promise I'll listen this time. I promise I'll listen. But every time you try to give me advice, I always resist. 'Cause in the moment it feels like You're squelching my right to do dumb shit if I wanna. But that's not real.